Hello, everybody, and thank you for joining us for a Volcano Yoga break. I am Beth Bartel. I am a PhD student at Michigan Tech.
I'm Wendy Bohon. I'm a Science Communication Specialist at the Incorporated Research Institutions for Seismology.
And I'm Sonja Melander. I'm the Science Education Manager with the Mount St Helens Institute. So what we're going to do today is some quick volcano yoga. And our volcano today is Mount St Helens. So with Beth, you see a pre-1980 Mount St Helens. With Wendy, you see Mount St Helens as it was erupting in the May 18th, 1980 eruption. And then me, you see what Mount St Helens looks like today. So let's get started. So we're going to start off in pre-1980 mountain pose. So this is what Beth, the mountain behind Beth looks like. So a tall cone-shaped peak rising high into the sky, over 9,000 feet above sea level. And in late March 1980, something strange began to happen. There were earthquakes, small earthquakes, not big ones, but small earthquakes that began shaking inside underneath Mount St. Helens, showing that the magma inside was on the move. And soon, scientists began seeing the mountain actually pushing out and growing to the northern side. So this is called the bulge or the cryptodome. And Mount St. Helens was growing 5 feet per day to the north, just bulging out like a giant balloon. Okay, we're gonna go back to pre-1980 mountain pose. And then on May 18th, 1980 at 8:32 in the morning, two things happened at once. There was a magnitude 5.1 earthquake. And at the same time, the top of Mount St. Helens came down in the largest landslide in recorded human history. And it came down, so bring the top of your mountain down and then push it out to the front as the landslide crashed and smashed to the north side of the mountain. As soon as this happened, the mountain was depressurized and began to blast out to the northern side in what's called a lateral blast. So let's see your lateral blast. Moving those arms, big rocks, small rocks, all blasting out hundreds of miles per hour, about 300 miles per hour on average. About the same time, on the south side of the mountain, there were some lahars. So these flows of boulders and rocks and other debris that's picked up along the way, smashing and crashing. A few hours later, the largest one smashed and crashed down the Toutle River Valley, going all the way to the Columbia River, many, many, many miles away. Now, after the volcano finished blasting to the side, it then blasted in another direction. Take it away, Beth.
Then the ash went upward. So stretch upward. And it went upward for 8 hours. 8 hours. Within 2 days, the ash had made it east to New York. And within 2 weeks, the ash had made it all the way around the world. After the eruption, with the ash settling on the land, there was regeneration and regrowth over the years to follow of not only the trees and the grasses and the flowers, but also of the new dome building up inside the volcano's crater, building up over time, and potentially in the future, it will build back up to that mountain like the one behind me again. Thank you for joining us for Volcano Yoga. Shake it all out. And we hope you have a good time getting on with your day. Happy Earth Science Week.